Good morning and welcome back to another daily market outlook video where we're going to discuss all the major dollar pairs and gold. Let's see what happened yesterday. Yesterday we saw a push in towards the upside, and that told me that maybe we were going to see some bullish price action in towards this 102 level and take that liquidity. But as of now, what happened is that we swiped the liquidity above here this morning, and we are now starting to push down lower, and this would be completely fine with the fact that there are still equal lows situated over here, and of course there is a lot of liquidity still situated underneath here. So the one of the two scenarios would be pushing up higher and then taking out liquidity here, and afterwards see a big push in towards the downside. On the other hand, now that we have swipe liquidity up here, we can see a swipe of the lows that are situated here, and then a push in towards the highs. After that, a break down and grabbing this liquidity. Or the last scenario is that we start to push down lower from here, grabbing some of the liquidity, then wait for a change of character once again, and then see a push in towards that 102 level. But right now it's a little bit difficult. Also today is NFP, so I'm not going to take any new positions. I'm just going to keep the positions that I'm already in open. And I hope that after NFP we can get some clear direction for DXY, so that in the next week we can take some nice trades again. If we then look at EU, then EU was consolidative yesterday, as I talked about in yesterday's Outlook video. We did grab some liquidity underneath the lows here now, and we're starting to see a little bit of a push in towards the upside, but nothing significantly yet. I need to see some really bullish price action to trade towards liquidity levels, then wait for a change of character, and then see some continuation of the bearish order flow and swing structure that we have created over here on the 4 hour. But there are some potential long opportunities if DXY and if price confirms to me that it wants to trade up higher. As of now, that's just a little bit too uncertain, and once again NFP, so not taking any new positions today. GU, on the other hand, did now take the liquidity that I had marked out previously. So that's beautiful, taking out this liquidity. And now what do I want? I want to see either this and then a next push in towards the highs, making this a good low to short from. And then preferably, even if we see something like this, then I would like to see something like this, then a break, and then continuation down lower, and then I'm happy to look for shorts over here if we get the confirmation. So yeah, that's going to be a little bit more of waiting for GU as well. NU, traded up a little bit higher, but still really consolidative, and I still need to see some higher prices on NU in order to take some new shorts. Or if there's like really clear bullish price action forming here, then on the order flow you can take some longs as well, but nothing has been confirmed yet. AUDUSD, it's still the same story. We're just consolidative over here. Do not touch this pair currently and look for better pairs to trade. This just needs some redevelopment of price. If we then look at USDCAD, then USDCAD is also consolidative. I do expect USDCAD to also react on NFP this afternoon, and then giving us a clear direction. Hopefully a push in towards the highs and then some clear break in towards the downside, signaling us that we can trade down lower from there. Then USDJPY started to push down lower a little bit as of this morning. So my entry here is a little bit into profit now. Nothing significantly though, and we're still really bullish, and I don't see this as any sign that we're going to push down lower as of yet. So this is going to be a little bit more of a waiting game, as this is also not a real technical position, but more fundamentally position. So nothing much to discuss on this as well. Then we have USDCHF, and that started to push down a little bit lower, but overall we're just really consolidative and waiting for that NFP release this afternoon. Also, preferably, I see this push down lower towards liquidity levels, then a change of character, and then some continuation longs. Then gold. Gold yesterday started to push up higher from this zone over here. What I saw was that on the 4-hour time frame, we had a bullish reaction towards the upside. Then everyone underneath got swiped and stopped out. Then we had a double 4-hour fractal break in towards the highs. And then I looked at the 1 hour over here, and then there was some liquidity situated here. So that's where I put a order in with my stop loss underneath this low that swiped all the early buyers here. And I'm expecting price to push up towards at least this liquidity high, and I'm going to hold the position until then. Yesterday we pushed up higher a lot, then we came back a little bit during afternoon session in Asia, and we're now pushing up higher. Preferably what I would like to see here now is some liquidation of this liquidity that's situated here, and then the next push in towards the high. So let's see what gold can give us there. If we then look at silver, then silver, not a lot is happening. It's just like consolidated price action, grinding a little bit in towards the upside. But also on silver, I need some clear push in towards the highs, taking out some liquidity, tapping that supply zone preferably, and then see a change of character to go in towards the downside one more time, hopefully to take out some more build-up liquidity here. And there is still no connection to this zone. And afterwards, I hope that we can start to look for some longs once again. Then copper. Copper pushed up higher yesterday. We barely tapped this supply zone here, but we didn't actually, and just started to push down lower, but really choppy, messy price action in my opinion. Not something I wanna touch currently. And I do think everything is currently waiting for DXY to make a move, and that's all depending on the NFP release this afternoon. Thanks for watching today's Outlook. I'll hope to see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more of me, and I'll hope to see you in the next one.